Hello everyone, my name is Francisco Elvi and today we are talking about addition connectors. Addition connectors are words or phrases that help to link ideas, sentence, or clauses by adding information. They serve to enhance the flow of writing and make it more cohesive by indicating that the subsequent information is a supplementary to what has already been stated. Common addition connectors include and, also, furthermore, moreover, and in addition. Each of these connectors can be used to a slightly different context, but they all share the fundamental purpose of adding information. One of the simplest and most frequently used addition connectors is and. This concordating conjunction and links to similar ideas or items is in a straightforward manner. For example, one might say, I enjoy reading books and watching movies. Another common connector is also this adverb can be used at the beginning of a sentence for emphasis or within a sentence to add information. Furthermore and moreover are more formal addition connectors often found in academic or professional writing. They serve to introduce additional points and that reinforce or expand upon previous statements. For example, the project was complete on time. Moreover, it came under budget. Okay, using these connectors effectively can greatly improve clarity and coherence in writing. They signal relationships between ideas and help guide readers through complex arguments and narratives. Cause and effects connectors are words or phrases used to link ideas or clauses together to show the relations between a cause and this effect. They help to establish a logical connection between two events or actions, making it clear why something happens or what the consequences on an action are. Types of cause and effects connectors. There are several types of cause and effect connectors, including subordinating conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions, and sentence. Okay, some common cause and effect connectors include because, since, and as to introduce a cause. So, introduce an effect. Therefore, consequently, and as a result to introduce an effect. And due to and because of to introduce a cause in the form of a noun phrase. Examples of a cause and effect connectors. Here are some examples of cause and effect connectors in use. I stayed at home because it was raining. It was raining, so I stayed at home. That's all. Thank you.